I am Richmond Bibahay, and this is my visual aid. Visual communication. Visual communication is the process of conveying information, ideas, or messages through visual elements such as image, graphics, videos, charts, graphics, and other form of visual content. It is a powerful way to communicate complex information in a clear and concise manner, often more effectively than text-based communication. Type of visual communication. 1. Infographic. There are visual representations that combine image, charts, and text to convey complex data in an easily graphic. This includes logic icons and illustrates that communicates a message or a printing image. 3. Videos. Moving images that use visual audio and text to convey information or tell stories. 4. Charts and graphs. Visual representation of data that use lines or shapes to illustrate trends and patterns. Photography. Image used to convey a message, evoke emotion, or tell a story. Benefit of visual communication. 1. Improved comprehension. Visual elements clarify complex information. Increased engagement. Visual content is more engaging than text-based content. Enhanced creativity. Visual communication conveys creative ideas and concepts. Better retention. Visual information is more easily remembered than based information. Contents of visual communication. Advertising. Visual elements are used to promote products or services. 2. Education. Visual aids help students understand complex concepts. Visual communication presents data, illustrates trends, and communication information. Arts and design. Visual elements create aesthetic, pleasing, and thought-provoking works. Written communication. Written communication is the process of conveying information, ideas, or messages through written words or text. It can take many forms, including letters, formal or information, written messages sent through postal mail or email, reports, detailed documents that present information, analysis, or recommendation. 3. Memos, brief written messages used for internal communication with an organization. 4. Email, electronic message sent through email platform. Text message, short written message sent through mobile device. Articles, written pieces published in newspaper, magazine, or online platforms. Books, lengthy written works that convey information, stories, or ideas. The benefits of written communication. Performance. Written communication provides a permanent record of message. 2. Clarify. Written communication can be more precise and clear than verbal communication. 3. Convenience. Written communication can be sent and received at any time. Advantage of written communication. Permanence. Written communication provides a permanent record of the message which can be referred to later. Clarify. Written communication can be more precise and clear than verbal communication, reducing the risk of misinterpretation. Convenience. Written communication can be sent and received at any time, allowing for flexibility in communication. Formal record. Written communication provides a formal record of agreements, decisions, and actions which can be useful for future reference. 5. Easy to disseminate. Written communication can be easily disseminated to a large audience, making it a useful tool for mass communication. Easy. 6. Time saving. Written communication can save time and effort by reducing need for face-to-face meetings or phone calls. Less chance of miscommunication. Written communication reduces the chance of miscommunication as the message is conveyed in writing and can be reviewed and revised for communication. Professionalism. Written communication can be convey a level of professionalism, formality, which can be important in business and formal settings. Limitation of written communication. Lack of feedback. Written communication can be lack immediate feedback or response. Misinterpretation. Written communication can be misinterpreted, due to lack of nonverbal cues. Importance of written communication. Written communication is an essential tool for conveying information, ideas, and messages in context. Its benefits and limitations highlights its significance. Effective communication.